children. Hi children. I am going to teach you today. I am going to teach you bird drawing. See here how to draw bird, children. Let me start. Watch properly, children. How to draw. First drawing, children. Bird body. Simple way, children. Simple. Very simple, children. Start, children. Start lines. Very simple line. Back side. Leg. Eyes. Next, flower. And leaf. Okay children, completed. What are the color using for bird? Purple color, blue color, green colors, and background yellow color, flower red colors, leaf color green color. Okay children, copy your drawing books. I hope you enjoy our class. Thank you children.